We're running late. Oh, I locked it. In the Denali with the boot thing. Random start to the vlog. Start the Denali. What is good, everybody? Welcome back
to another video.
Yeah, what she said. Appreciate y'all for coming back to another video. You guys are probably like, damn, why is Eddie, aka Inzane, looking so damn good? It's because we are going to a Friendsgiving. But we are headed to our Friendsgiving. Most of you guys have seen the homies on the vlog, but I will reintroduce you guys to them when we get there. But yeah, my mom made us a ham for everybody there, so shout out to my mama for that, because she prepared it for us and everything. So shout out to mama. And she also made some cheesecakes as well, so again, shout out to mama. We are kind of running a little late, I'll say fashionably late, but we are on the way with the ham, and I know they're hungry because they called me twice already, but it's okay, we going. Got a bag of ice too and everything, so we prepared. If you guys are having a beautiful day / night, whatever it is, yeah, whatever time you guys are watching it, I hope you guys feel the juice.
Yeah.
But like I was saying, I hope you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day / night, whatever time you guys are watching it, like I said. But yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button for your boy and hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel and be part of the family. Right now, we're about to go spend time with the family, and you guys are about to be with us, you know? Because you guys are family as well, so it's basically all of our Friendsgiving right now. But I will pick up the camera when I get there. Am I good? Am I good? Fucking head asses. Hit the pipe. Am I gonna hit the pipe? Am I gonna hit the pipe? Oh, I got a lot of space. I fucking hate these fucking jackasses, man. These fucking, fuck you. I knew it. Oh, look at that little jackass right there. It's sold. It's sold, you jackasses. Damn, steal it with the brisket. Yes, sir. We eating good today. Hey, yo. It's a big boy.
Hey, you cook that shit for like 2
days. Yes, sir. What is good, everybody? As you can see, we is in the Denali again, obviously, because I don't have my Supra yet. Speaking of the Supra, we're gonna go see it right now. Once again, unannounced. I hope they didn't start painting and they didn't let me down without telling me. But we're gonna go see right now, see if it's in the paint booth or not, or if it's still outside. I have no idea. Something tells me that it's in the paint booth and they didn't call me. If it's not in the paint booth, then I appreciate them for keeping the word, because they haven't called me. I told them to call me when it's in the paint booth, but I told them that last time for other things that they never told me, like for the wing. I told them to call me for the wing and they never did, so let's see if it's in the paint booth or if it's getting painted. I'm gonna just keep waiting and waiting, man. We're in the waiting game. And we are gonna go to the LA Auto Show hopefully tomorrow. I was gonna go today, but didn't end up going today. So hopefully we go tomorrow before Thanksgiving. And if we don't go tomorrow, then we'll probably end up going Saturday or something like that. I have no idea, but hopefully we go to the auto show tomorrow, just so I get content for you guys, so we can see what's coming, what new cars are coming next year, and what's going electric, things like that, you feel me? But if you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day, make sure y'all hit that like button for your boys, so you know the video gets pushed out there and people can start seeing your boy. And if you guys aren't yet subscribe, you know, be part of the family, be part of the Supra build, you feel me? So we still got her here in the same spot. Nothing's different, but you guys can see a better look at the fenders now. Not too shabby. I mean, I don't think the hood's closed all the way either. So, you know, we're probably gonna work with this gap, obviously. Still not done, but yeah, I think it's just ready to go into paint now, but they're just waiting to make more room. But it's there. It's coming along little by little. So here you guys can get a better look of it now. Here's a better, almost complete look of the car. We got the front bumper, still missing pieces. He's still got to work on this, so he's gonna work on the front bumper to fix a couple things. The hood is pretty much almost done. You see the fenders, they're on it. And And yeah, bro, you guys can see like a visualization of it almost completely done. But yeah, bro, here she is. She is looking okay, you know. She's like she's getting work done. You feel me? She's in plastic surgery. She's getting she's getting her work done. But damn, bro, as you guys can see, she's almost done now. Almost done. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna get up out of here. I think we're gonna come back on Thursday. He said on Thursday and Friday he was gonna work on it, so I might just pull up on him, come over here and get some footage of what he's gonna work on. He said he's gonna do a bumper, work on a little bit of the hood, and then it should go and paint pretty soon. I think next week they said, because he said he hasn't really got much time to work on it because there's obviously other cars to be worked on. So I totally understand that part, but you know, he said when he has time to work on it, like he moves fast. So he said he's almost pretty much done and then it's going into paint. So just waiting on that pretty much. But I appreciate everyone who's been patient with, you know, your boy. And you know, I wish it could be as done as a snap of a finger. But it can't be done like that, you know, it takes time, and we don't want to rush the process either, you know. We want the car coming back looking spiffy, looking brand new, looking just 100. And damn, bro, I'm about to get new wheels, man. Look at this shit, guys. Curb rash like a mug. Yeah, man, I might have to get wheels. Not have to, but you know I want wheels. So definitely looking into getting some Workmeisters, bro. Definitely looking into that because I want some Workmeisters. But yeah, man, she'll be back pretty soon, man. We'll come back and see her on Thursday. Hopefully. Look at this, a rare scene, bro. We got the Denali next to the TRX. Damn, they look both beefy next to each other, not gonna lie. Obviously, this has a, you know, Hellcat engine, and this has a baby 3.0 twin turbo, but damn, next to each other, they look good. Not even gonna lie. Damn. Obviously, the TRX looks way more meaner, but damn, they look good next to each other. Luis said he wanted this before he wanted that, which is a trip. So he was even telling me, I wanted this before I got that, but hey, bro, good thing you went with this. His payments are crazy, bro. Crazy. So guys, we had a change of plans. We were supposed to go to the LA Auto Show like within this week. And, my bad, I just randomly picked up the camera. But it's been a couple days since I last picked up the camera, and I said we was gonna go to the auto show, and we were gonna go today. It is Sunday, the last day, but we decided not to because, well, I decided not to because we gotta do a couple more important stuff right now. Like we gotta go to IKEA and buy a couple for like drawers and shit like that. I gotta handle some other business real quick, and then hopefully if there's still time within the day, because they close at 6 today, we'll probably go. But I don't think there'll be a chance that we're gonna go in this vlog. Probably not. So you're gonna just see us having an IKEA trip, bro. You're gonna see what sometimes things that don't go as planned, you just gotta go with the flow and make some content out of it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make some content out of it. My girl's in Starbucks right now getting us coffee. I am watching the Steelers game on my phone right now, and we just scored. We're playing against the Browns. My bad. It wasn't the Browns. It was the Cincinnati Bengals. My bad. My fault. That's my fault. We are up 10. It is 10-7 right now. So we are up. We just scored 2. And it is third quarter. I literally just started watching this game. All bad. I totally forgot. And we was on the way over here and I forgot about the game. And yeah, that's my fault. But I knew they was playing today. Yeah, I'm really watching the game while I'm here at IKEA, bro. Fuck with me. My girl got on the Crocs on sport mode. Chill. Whoa. Now they're on sport mode. I'm just, at IKEA watching the game. No, bro. We're just looking at couches, more other things. But if y'all don't know what IKEA is like a big ass spot where like they put like settings and like spots where like you can potentially see how you would want your bed or home, anything like that, which is pretty dope. But we just out here trying to buy some stuff. for the house. Small stuff. Alright, see, this would be my setup if I had my own house, my own room and shit, you feel me? I have my guns up there, all that good shit, but what the setup is pretty dope. But yeah, this would be me if I lived on my own. For sure. I had my own room, for sure. And this is another, like, design they do, see? So this would be another way I had my room. But this is sick. You have your bed, if you live, like, you know, in your one bedroom. Then you got your desk and shit under here. That's pretty fucking fire. This is sick. I love the LEDs in here. So we've been here at the same spot for like 30 minutes. In the same spot just here. Nah, I'm just playing. I could not find a single bed. They are all ass. The bed frames here just suck. Too expensive too. Way too damn much. Especially for an IKEA, you know what I mean? But we found one online, so we might just go with that. So we don't know yet. Probably didn't even show you guys much, but there is a lot here, dude. And shopping for a new place or just decorating a new place is overwhelming. Punk ass sister met us too. Oh, look at her. Out of everything in IKEA, we decided, or I decided, buy lint rollers. Because, yeah, boy, I need them. My pants be getting hella lint all over them. So, lint rollers it is. Lad, look at this fucking jackass. Fuck this guy. I hate him. Now we have these jackasses shopping. But we're back in IKEA. Look at my bathroom. Check out my bathroom. My bathroom's clean, huh? Very nice, very nice. Ignore the for sale signs. Better take a shower. We are finally leaving, and we are on our way to actually go get some food because we are hungry. Yeah, we are hungry. Song is bumping. You went the wrong way. This is not the exit side. Anyways, like I said, we're gonna go eat Desvelados right now. Los Desvelados. It is a dope spot where they sell like Mexican food, and they like add their own creative style to it. So we're gonna go eat there. We're gonna Sean and his girl's gonna meet us there, and my sister's gonna meet us there. So a little 9-minute drive, not too bad. So pick up the camera when we get there to eat. Excuse the copyrighted music, but you know we're here eating very bomb. They got so much here at this spot. It's called Los Desvelados on Burbank. So bomb here, bro. It's such a vibe. But the food here, bro, is so delicious. I've been here more than once, and it's so good. I brought beefs here, and I came here with her the first time, and it was so damn good. So, highly recommend this spot, Los Desvelados, if you come here in Burbank area. But look how good these carne asada fries are. And look at these burritos.
They look spicy.
That's when they're confident.
We got this bomb though. We got flautas over there. We got like tacos.
It's your boy Eddie back with another video. I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last video, you know what I'm saying? I love y'all, man. Just hit the like, hit the subscribe. And you know what? If you love me, throw a comment in that bitch, you know what I'm saying? Come back again.